Are you ready to write emails that not only get your point across, but also forge lasting connections with your clients? Mastering email communication is critical for client success, and today, we explore how Toptal's practices can help you achieve just that. Let's start with the essential first step, the introduction. Begin with a professional and friendly greeting that sets the right tone. Go beyond generic phrases, like to whom it may concern, and strive for personalization. This strategy immediately captures attention and conveys value right away. Then, clearly state the purpose of your email, be it a project proposal, a follow-up, or a progress report. Keeping it concise demonstrates respect for your client's valuable time. In the body of your email, present your ideas in a structured and easy-to-read manner. Break down complicated details with bullet points or numbered lists for enhanced readability. Maintain a professional yet personable tone, avoiding slang or overly familiar language, while showcasing your own unique style. Finally, end with a compelling call to action. Whether you're requesting a response to a proposal or arranging a meeting, make your desired action clear and easily achievable for your client. Close with a professional sign-off, including your name, title, and contact information. Remember that staying consistently in contact with your clients is key.